Impact of smoking on women's skin. This is the topic of discussion in today's lecture. So I am talking about smokers, especially if they are females or women. Okay, so the skin health is compromised if they smoke on a regular basis. Okay, skin health is compromised. What is the reason behind this? Reason is, you know that cigarettes or bidis are also called Indian cigarettes. These are also made of tobacco wrapped in a tendu or tambourni leaf and tied by a string. Okay, small in size as compared to cigarettes, and these are unfiltered. Okay, bidis are unfiltered. These are also known as Indian cigarettes. Anyway, so both cigarettes and bidis, they are harmful to the skin. Skin for all, both for men and women. But in this video, I am talking about only women's skin. Okay, so how these are harmful for the women's skin? Okay, so first is you know that cigarettes or bidis contain nicotine and other chemicals, or better to say toxins. Okay, so cigarettes contain nicotine and other chemicals, and they constrict the blood vessels. So what happens if they constrict the blood vessels? In that case, there is a reduction of blood flow to your skin. And you know that blood carries oxygen and essential nutrients with it. Okay. So if there is a reduction of blood flow to your skin, then in that case, your skin is not getting proper nutrition. So skin is damaged that way. Your skin is damaged that way. Okay, because blood flow is reduced to your skin due to smoking, whether it is bidi or whether it is cigarette. Okay, next is our skin contains collagen and elastin fibers. These are nothing but proteins. So these are damaged due to the presence of chemicals in smoking, in cigarettes. So since collagen and elastin fibers are damaged, so your skin loses its elasticity and firmness. So naturally, you may observe to your skin sagging and drooping both. Okay, again your skin, since you are a smoker, so in that case what happens, your skin loses its moisture content. Means the power or the capacity of retaining moisture to your skin is reduced greatly if you are a smoker. And that is not good for your skin if it loses its moisture. Means your skin becomes dry in that case. Okay, so these are the problems, and in that case what happens? If your skin is compromised by smoking, then in that case skin care products may not work well. Women generally invest deeply in purchasing their skincare products. But if they are a smoker, then in that case, the skincare products may not work well. Means according to the requirement, okay, may not work well to their skin. They their skin may not look radiant, their skin may not glow properly. Okay, again, if they are if they are visiting beauty parlors, or if they are undergoing laser therapy for their skin treatment, in those cases also, if they are smoker, then in that case, these facials or the laser therapy may not work well. They may not get total satisfaction after visiting beauty parlors. Means I am talking about facials. Okay. So these are the problems caused by smoking. Ways are there to solve such problem. First solution is, you know that solution, that if you quit smoking. If you quit smoking, then that will be beneficial for your skin. Okay. Again, you need to use rich moisture, means you need to use products which contain rich moisturizer, such as the products containing hyaluronic acid. Okay. Again, so I was talking about what? Moisturizer. Then you need to visit a dermatologist. Okay, if you feel so, if you feel the requirement, you are a smoker and your skin is not according to your requirement, it is not glowing, it is not radiant, okay, the color of your skin has become dull, in those cases, you may visit a dermatologist, and if you follow their instructions, then you may improve your skin quality. So solutions are there, no problem, but quitting smoking is the best solution. I think so. Okay, and I have already mentioned that not only cigarettes or not only bidis, cigarette also may do the same harm. Both are harmful to your skin. Okay, so I think I have finished discussing all the points regarding smoking. So this was all about the topic, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.